injector machine all set up. We flip that down because that will let everything drain out. Power on. Okay, I haven't used this thing in a while, but I got them all set up. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, let's do idling testing. Might take a minute for them to start rolling through. Pressure. My fuel pressure was too low. Look at that. See how that one's just steaming? So I'm going to see how much they fill up in comparison to each other, and I got another set upstairs that came with the other motor. So worst case, I'm going to take the best of the 4 and I will put those in and see how it runs after that. Sometimes, like when I first start up, it smokes a little bit, so I was suspecting the injector was sticking. I can't tell if it's fuel or oil. The turbo seal could be bad in the thing for all I know. So I don't know why it won't build any pressure, but it's working. Okay, so I forgot I drained the fluid out of this, so that's why I wasn't working on those. So let's go with idling test. Now I have it on the medium speed test. That one's just dripping. These two seem like they're working pretty good. See if I can increase the pressure. Okay, so here I'm looking at the 2 harnesses. One's the harness that came out of the truck, and the other one's came with the engine that had the turbo kit on it. So it's got 2 breaks in the wire that I can see. I'm going to try and repair that, and I'm going to put it in the truck and see how it runs after that. I'm going to split loom it afterwards and everything. It'll look pretty good. Okay, so I'm putting the O-rings back on the injectors because I decided to go with the green ones because they were actually pulling like 30 milliliters more in a 5-minute span. I don't know what the math is for pounds in an hour for that, but that's what I'm going with because that's what the turbo setup had with them anyways, so... So I got the fuel reel all situated, the injectors are in. I ended up routing my vacuum. I might extend this one. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap up the video pretty much here. So this had a couple breaks in the wires going from here to here because they extended it for the intake. A couple of the wires like were just pulling out or whatever, so I fixed the sensor and everything. I already tested this on the truck. The truck runs way better.